Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will use 10 package pieces of 480X324X1 110mm as an example to carry out a trial testing with the 6-side EPS packaging machine. Let's take a look at the complete process. The total time is about 2 minutes and 55 seconds, and the average time for each package is 17.5 seconds. The speed of packaging is related to the size of the package and the speed of manual loading. Let's check the packaging effect. As you can see, the seams at the top and bottom are quite flat, and the 4 sides are also very tight. Despite shaking and lifting from left to right, the packaging remains intact. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.